how to increase download speed in Epic Games. So first what you want to do, just open up the R or the run option in Windows, and to do that, just simply click on Windows plus R, and this will pop up, and just simply type in %local appdata %, and click on OK. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see the Epic Games Launcher folder, then click on that. After that, click on Save, then click on Config, then go to Windows, then click on Engine. Once you're here, just paste the code that I will put in the description. So I have it right here, and I'm just going to paste it. So I'm going to put this in the description for you to copy. Okay, once you've pasted it, just click on the file, then click on Save, then just exit out. Now you can try downloading any game that you want. And that's how you basically increase download speed in Epic Games.